Hey everyone, Jenna Quinter here in the JQHQ. I wanted to come at you and provide a little bit of information for you. Wanted to give a quick tip about your business, whether you have a brick and mortar business, which that means you have a standalone business where people can actually walk into a store, or you have an online store. So either one can work with each other, but my tip of the day is to make friends with your neighbors. And let me go ahead and give you a little story. So I used to work for a company where I helped open up a 10,000 square foot retail store and also a 50,000 square foot factory for cars. One of my roles was to be kind of like a project manager. I was considered the black ops. They would send me in, I would open up the store, set it all up, hire the staff, and then move on to my next project. So one of the things that I learned was it's really important to make friends with your neighbors around the surrounding area. So I want you to think of it as like a cocktail, like it's cocktail hour. So you need to go to each business owner around town, knock on their door, introduce yourself, give them some type of incentive to come into your store. Whether you have a brick and mortar store or you have an online retail store, you still need to make friends. You need to still market by giving maybe a flyer that gives like 10% off for friends and family on your online store, or give an invite for them to come in for your grand opening. Some of these people that you meet can be key components to the future of your business. And I say that because people are all connected with each other. So if you need something to get done or approved, whether it be something within zoning or business, or you need, say you're in a shopping complex that only requires maybe an hour parking for your clients, but you need like additional 2 hours. Sometimes you need to be able to meet city officials. And if you connect with the right neighbors, the right business owners, sometimes they know those city officials and they can make introductions for you to help you get things approved for whenever you do need to redo the inside of your store or hold a special event, because a lot of times those types of things require special permits. So you want to make sure when you're connecting with these business owners to kind of use them as your little black books. These people are connected for a reason. If they've been there for a long time, then they've already established themselves in the city. So that's my tip of the day for people who have brick and mortar stores. Now, of course, if you're online, then that's going to be a little bit different, but you should still be able to promote to all of your neighbors, whether it be at like your home, wherever you live in your neighborhood, your apartment complex, or your business neighbors in the business community. Make sure that you go to as many little happy hours as you can, go to any meet and greets as you can, smile, be friendly. And then if you don't like doing that, then hire some college girls or college guys to go out for you for under, $10 an hour to promote the business for you. So 10, 15 bucks, 30 bucks an hour, you can hire people to be your brand ambassadors if you don't like to be the one promoting. But either way, it's super important to get yourself out there, meet your neighbors, and connect. So I hope that was super helpful for y'all today. What I do is I help people look good online and offline. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Jenna Quinter, or I also have I also do consulting as well, so you can always connect with me by just DMing on Instagram. So I hope that you'll have an amazing day and be blessed, and continue to always, find ways to market your business. And you can always come to my channel. Go ahead and hit subscribe here on YouTube, where I will always be providing tips about marketing, sales, relationships, lifestyle, all things business. So Thanks again and have an amazing night. Bye.